Sorry, mute.
A metal nitrate on heating gives a yellow colored metal oxide and a brown color gas, okay, B, and a colorless gas C. An aqueous solution of A, metal nitrate, on reaction with potassium iodide gives a yellow precipitate. Compound D. Right the balance. बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है ये, इजी क्वेश्चन है. लेट मी चेक टेल यू. ये मैंने कराया आपको.
Huh.
नहीं कराया. नहीं
No,
कराया
I
क्या?
remember doing it.
You were not able to do that one, na? So let me just.
No, like I did, but then I think I did the left side things I wrote on the right, and the right things I think I wrote in the left side.
What is saying? A metal compound that is PbNO3. When you heat it, it will gives you PbO, which is yellow, plus NO2, which is brown color gas, and plus O2, this is colorless gas oxygen. Okay, when you heat PbNO3 with potassium iodide, it will gives you PbI2, which is again yellow PPT, plus KNO3, potassium nitrate. दोनों
Oh,
रिएक्शन
I
दिखाऊं? चलो
I
दिखाता
did
हूँ.
it right only. I thought I wrote the wrong one.
You thought you did the wrong one, na?
Yeah. And also, what's for the 26th one? A.
Just a minute. Yes, Zainab, how are you? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
This question, please turn on the camera. This question is not only for Maha. It is an important question. It is for both you. Okay?
Okay.
Don't think that Maha is only going to answer this question. Everyone is not going to concentrate over this question. So just a minute. So where NaOH displacement decomposition. This one is the reaction that Pb when react with
Yeah.
I2 to PbI2 plus KNO3. This is the yellow PPT. And before that, we have done that decomposition reaction also. This one, and it is being written here. देखो brown fume लिखा है ना यहाँ पर.
No, I didn't write this one. I wrote that before one.
Okay, so it's okay. Next one,
Oh, bio wala tha. 26 wala.
26 in bio.
The answer is 1000, right? A part.
Hmm?
The answer for the A part is 1000 only, right?
So what will be the amount of energy available to the organism second trophic level of the food chain if the energy of the first trophic level is 10,000? So अगर इसको 10,000 है, बस इसको 10,000 है, तो इसमें से एक जीरो कम हो जाएगा.
The
स्नेक विल गेट
screen is not
10,000.
visible.
ओके, और the red will have इसको 10,000 थी ना, इसको 1,000 ओनली, इसको 100, इसको 10.
First trophic level will be the plant, right?
अच्छा, ओके, फर्स्ट ट्रॉपिक लेवल प्लांट होता है, हाँ. तो किसका मांगा इसने? सेकेंड ट्रॉपिक
Second
लेवल.
wala, rat ka.
अच्छा, ओ माय गॉड, क्या है यार, मुझे प्लांट लग ही नहीं रहा ये कहीं से, तो मैं इधर से इधर आ गया. नो, सॉरी फॉर दैट. तो दिस इज द प्लांट ना, दिस इज द प्लांट, इज इट प्लांट?
Yeah.
लग तो नहीं रहा.
It's like a flower or something.
ओके, दिस इज द 10,000 जूल.
Huh.
तो अगेन वह फिर भी अगर सेकंड टॉपिक लेवल पूछा है तो 1,000 हो जाएगा. ये फर्स्ट टॉपिक लेवल.
1000. Because many of my many class was saying it was 100. That's why I got confused.
What will be the amount of energy available to the organism of second trophic level of the food chain? What will be the energy available to the organism?
1000, right?
If the energy,
10% only is going.
अगर उसको 10,000 मिल रही तो हाँ ठीक है, सही है। द फर्स्ट टॉपिक लेवल ऑफ द फूड चेन इज ऑलवेज अ प्लांट, भाई हो गया। इसके अलावा
And then the case study questions. 37. I wrote zinc as the metal M,
with the help of
but I
balance
don't know.
chemical equation, what will happen if the metal M is reacted with iron oxide? What is metal M?
I
Metal,
wrote zinc.
just a minute. Metal at the top of the reactivity series are very active metals of the middle of the modern different. The teacher asks the student to identify the metal M. She gives the following clue and it is its oxide react with both HCl and NaOH. Zinc. It does not react with hot and cold water. Zinc and react with steam. सही है. It can be extracted by the electrolysis. It can be extracted by the it can be extracted by electrolysis of ore. Electrolysis. तो जिंक तो मेट रिएक्टिव में आ गया. So it means it is aluminium. Because aluminium to react with steam, but aluminium is extracted by electrolytic reduction method. समझ आया? That would be the aluminium when react with NaSCl, it will gives you AlCl3. Aluminium when react with NaOH, it will give you sodium aluminate NaAlO2. उसके बाद next is this one. Add the balance chemical equation for this one and write the HCl. Oh, HCl and NaOH. Okay. Aluminium and react with NaOH, it will give you NaLO2. Add the balance chemical equation. लिख दोगे ये वाला NaOH के साथ.
हाँ.
And it react with iron oxide. सही है. Aluminum is more reactive ना. Aluminum. Next.
Also 36. Physics wala. What did I have to write for the E one?
E1 for
Yeah.
this first part.
Yeah.
ये तो NCERT एग्जाम्पलर में.
There was no difference, right?
नो डिफरेंस. हाँ, एम्पिरिकल रीडिंग सेम रहेगी.
So we don't have to write anything for that.
नो, you have to write no difference in the एम्पिरिकल रीडिंग.
Oh, okay.
बाकी हो गया. यही था बस E36 में.
हाँ.
उसके अलावा जैनब कोई तुम्हारा डाउट है?
नहीं।
बिना डाउट के पढ़ नहीं रही हो क्या जैनब?
मेरा
आयुष,
एग्जाम हो गया।
तो कहाँ है तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन पेपर?
क्वेश्चन पेपर घर में ही है।
घर में है
मैंने
तो.
जैसे ही मैं घर गई मैंने सारा गूगल से ये करके चेक किया कि क्या क्या मैंने सही किया क्या क्या गलत किया है।
चलिए नेक्स्ट.
That's it.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 34 करके बताओ जरा मुझे. सब जियाना डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. जियाना आर यू डूइंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 34?
Yes,
जियाना,
sir.
डू ट्राई टू डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. लेट मी चेक कितने पानी में हो तुम लोग.
Did I also do it?
हम्म. जियाना कर रही है बेटा? आर यू डूइंग जियाना?
Yes, I'm doing.
यू डन? You done?
Sir, for A, it will be C and D saturated, right?
Write the formula of the four organic compound given below. A. Which of the following compound A, B, C is saturated hydrocarbons? So
C and
C2H4. B saturated, C is saturated, and D is saturated. A, B, C, D में सिर्फ A unsaturated है, other are saturated.
Yeah.
Okay. B, C, D are saturated. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Don't think that there is a double bond between carbon and double bond or triple bond should be between carbon atom, but not with carbon and oxygen atoms. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Next.
It's
Next.
ethanol, right? It forms ethene when heated.
Which one about the following compound? Okay. Which one about the following compound when heated at 443 Kelvin in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 form ethane as a major product? Forms ethene as a major product. So which will form?
C.
C. Yes. Alcohol का dehydration करते हैं ना, तो it will form ethene at 443 Kelvin. Okay.
Hmm.
समझ आया?
Yes.
Yeah.
And what role played by the saturated H2SO4 in this reaction?
It acts as a
As a
catalyst.
catalyst.
No, it does not act as it act as a dehydrating reagent.
Okay.
It act as a dehydrating reagent. Also write the chemical reaction involved. You will be able to write C2H5OH. Okay, in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, which act as dehydrating reagent at 443 Kelvin, it will gives you C2H4 plus H2O. Next, give a chemical reaction but when B and C react. B and C, बताइए क्या बनेगा?
Ester.
Ester. Name of that ester? Name of that ester fast बताइए.
Like CH3COO C2H5 plus water.
So what is the name? Compound. Ester will be formed. CH3COO then C2H5. What's the name? It will be ethyl ethanoate. क्या बनेगा? It will be ethyl ethanoate. क्या बनेगा बोलो? ethyl ethanoate. समझ आया?
Yes.
What is homologous series?
So is it okay if I write only ester?
Ethyl ethanoate ester is correct, but if you write, do you write the chemical equations?
Yeah.
It's okay. What is homologous series?
Collection of compounds with the same general formula.
The compounds of hydrocarbon with successive member differ by CH2 group and having same functional group. They have the two homolog member have same chemical properties and almost same physical properties. Okay.
Can we write collection of compounds with the same general formula and they only differ with carbon chain length?
हाँ तब भी सही है बट सेम जनरल फॉर्मूला में गड़बड़ हो सकती है ना नो 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 वी कैन नॉट राइट सेम जनरल फॉर्मूला द कंपाउंड्स ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन दैट डिफर बाय CH2 ग्रुप जनरल फॉर्मूला तो लेट सपोज कीजिए कि मैंने लिखा है CnH2n इट इज द सेम जनरल फॉर्मूला फॉर एल्कीन एल्कीन एंड सेम जनरल फॉर्मूला फॉर साइक्लोएल्कीन okay this is the same general formula this is the form for alkene and this is the same general formula for cycloalkane cycloalkane okay like for example C3H6 आपने लिखा तो this is CH3 then CH double bond CH2 ये हो गया C3H6 और इसी को आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो एल्केन में 2 hydrogen here 2 hydrogen with this one and 2 hydrogen with this one. This is cyclopropane. It is It is only propene. और इसी तरह से if I'm writing the general formula for for aldehyde and ketone CnH2nO. This is the same general formula for aldehyde and ketone. Like C3S6O. I can write it CH3 C double bond O and then CH3. It is C3S6O compressed form. Or I can write it CH3 CH2 and then B double bond O and then H. It is aldehyde CHO. So they are not they are having different functional group. So how can you say that same general formula?
Oh, okay.
समझ आया? And differ by
Hmm.
CH2 group. तो मैंने एक अगर मैंने लिख दिया एल्डिहाइड दूसरा मैंने लिख दिया कीटोन और दोनों में सपोज एक मैंने लिखा है ब्यूटेनॉन और दूसरा मैं लिखा है प्रोप प्रोप एन अल ब्यूटेन में 4 कार्बन है तो C4H8O और प्रॉप में 3 कार्बन है C3H6O दोनों में CH2 कार्बन का डिफरेंस है देयर इज अ डिफरेंस ऑफ CH2 कार्बन बट दे आर हैविंग डिफरेंट फंक्शन ग्रुप आर यू गेटिंग
Okay.
दिस तो when we are by just writing the correct definition that compound of hydrocarbon having same molecular formula but different functional group are called नेक्स्ट अच्छा क्वेश्चन है वहां का क्वेश्चन पेपर अच्छा है मतलब ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन पेपर होना चाहिए पढ़ाया तो इसी लेवल का है तुम्हें the blue color flower plant denoted by BB is crossed with the white color flower small bb. So express the cross with the help of chart. Instead the color color of the
All of
flower.
them will be blue.
Huh?
All of them will be blue.
All of them. What would be the percentage of the white color flower in F2 generation?
25 uh, percent.
25%. If the flower F1 generation is self-pollinated, okay. State पता है ना ये चीज कैसे 25 हुई है?
हाँ.
Well, Zainab and Ziana, why have you turned off your
Yes.
camera? Please turn it on. Don't make yourself blind. A teacher only focus only those students who have turned off their turn on their camera. Beta, this is we are just studying here, so you must concentrate here, na? Express the ratio of the genotype of B and capital B. What is the genotype? State the expected ratio of BB and small b in the F2 generation. बताइए.
I got like 2:1.
Hmm?
2:1.
Why 2:1?
Like I did the cross and everything.
So you write 1:2, na?
Yeah.
1:2 is not equal to 2:1. अगर आप समझ रहे हो कि 1:2 and 2:1 are the same
No,
thing,
no,
then
I wrote 1:2 only because I wrote to capital B ratio PB, and then I wrote the numbers.
यस, इलेक्ट्रो जनरेशन में जो आपके पास होगा वो पहले क्या होगा, दैट वुड बी कैपिटल बी, कैपिटल बी इसको, अरे कैपिटल बी फिर कैपिटल बी स्मॉल बी एंड स्मॉल बी, तो दिस विल बी 2, दिस विल बी 1, तो 1:2 रेशियो। ओके, पहले मैं केमिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चंस कराता हूँ सारे। ये हमने कितनी बार कर रखा है, बताइए इसमें विच इज द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, विच इज द स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, बताइए जरा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2।
So it's asking reducing agent and the substrate oxidized.
सो टेल मी,
So both in will be Fe.
जिसके पास ऑक्सीजन होता है वो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होता है ना।
Yeah, but it's not asking about the one that's oxidizing. It's only asking about reducing agent and the substance that's being oxidized.
Which option of the table correctly represent the oxidized and the reducing agent? ओके, अगर यहाँ पे दे रखा है टेबल में ना, Fe, Fe is oxidized and Fe नो, सेम सेम तो कभी भी नहीं हो सकता, सेम सेम जहां जहां पर सेम सेम है। ओके, Fe is oxidized, नो, जिसके पास ऑक्सीजन होता है ऑलवेज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होता है।
But
Redu-
Sai, it's not asking about the oxidizing agent, right? It's asking about the substance oxidized, the ones that's getting oxidized, right?
yes, तो here कॉपर सल्फेट, अगर आप देखोगे व्हाट इज द रिएक्शन, CuSO4 व्हेन रिएक्ट विद आयरन इट इज गिविंग यू FeSO4, FeSO4 प्लस Cu, यहाँ पर copper is having +2 oxidation state, it is 0, so it means +2 to 0 is, this one is reduced, and this one is the oxidizing agent. Okay, got it. And this one is iron, Fe. So copper sulfate is oxidizing agent. अब ध्यान समझना, थोड़ा सा इंपॉर्टेंट है ना। अब यहाँ पे देखो Fe क्या दे रखा है, Fe इज गेटिंग ऑक्सीडाइज, यहाँ पर 0 है और 0 से इट इज गोइंग टू Fe2 पॉजिटिव, ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट पर जा रहा है, तो इट मींस इट इज बीइंग ऑक्सीडाइज्ड। समझ आया?
Yeah.
Now if we are having this, okay, now just look at this, this is Cu, okay, copper. Now just a minute, कॉपर जब रिएक्ट करता है Fe के साथ, जस्ट लुक एट दिस, अब हम लोग को इधर भी देखना होगा, अगर हम लोग को नहीं मिल रहा, इफ इट इज नॉट मैचिंग देन वी हैव टू सर्च इट हियर आल्सो। नाउ कॉपर इज गोइंग टू दिस साइड, इट इज कॉपर इज बीइंग 0 to +1 is oxidized, so copper is getting oxidized, substance is oxidized is copper, so copper is getting oxidized, okay, and since iron का oxidation हो रहा है, because iron is getting from 0 to +2, ध्यान से ना बेटा, are you getting, C is the correct option, you choose A।
Yeah. Because it's asking, I thought the one that's getting oxidized, so the one that's getting iron is getting oxidized.
कभी भी सेम सब्सटेंस ऑक्सीडाइज होगा और वही सब्सटेंस रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट भी होगा, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। सेम, हाउ कैन अ सब्सटेंस दैट इज ऑक्सीडाइज, oh just a minute, iron is getting oxidized, yeah, जो चीज ऑक्सीडाइज होती है वो रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट होता है, यस इट इज करेक्ट, ए, अपोजिट है ना।
So I was right.
ये ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है, यहाँ पर रिड्यूसिंग लिखा है, मुझे लगा कि यहाँ पर भी ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट लिखा है, सो दैट्स व्हाई, सो ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। अब देखो यहाँ पर भी हम लोग सी पर भी, अगर इसमें मोर देन वन ऑप्शन होता तो वी कैन गो थ्रू द सी ऑप्शन ऑल्सो, व्हाई, समझाता हूँ। अगर तुम रिवर्स में देखोगे, इफ यू सी दैट द कॉपर, सो यू विल सी दैट कॉपर इज गोइंग फ्रॉम 0 to +2 ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, सो इट इज गेटिंग ऑक्सीडाइज्ड हियर, यहाँ पर कॉपर सल्फेट नहीं लिखा, कॉपर लिखा है, ओके।
Yeah.
एंड Fe is a reducing agent, so ऐसे और Fe is getting oxidized, so Fe जो oxidize होता है वो reducing agent भी होता है. But since we are just seeing the okay, A option is correct. Fe is oxidized and oxidize हुआ है और वो एक reducing agent भी होगा. Thus the one which do not have oxygen it is a reducing agent. और Fe में oxygen add हुई तो it is an oxidized. Okay, so A is the correct option. Got it?
Yeah.
But C option
Yes.
can also be correct अगर ये नहीं होता तो. Okay. Which one of following correctly state the structure of CaCl2? C लिखा आपने.
हाँ.
सही है. यहाँ पर 2 होगा ना. Chlorine because we have chlorine atoms 2 and we are having this one. Okay. Next, which of the following reactions take place between CH3COH and NaOH? Yes, this we have done already. It is a neutralization reaction.
Yeah.
Yes. किसी क्वेश्चन में डाउट लग रहा है ना.
नहीं.
जरा से बताओ फिफ्थ में क्या आंसर होगा जनाब. एंड यू जाना ट्राई टू आंसर मी दिस क्वेश्चन.
फोर्थ वाला या फिफ्थ वाला?
फिफ्थ.
ओके.
डन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5.
डी.
So here it is saying that a salt A commonly used in food product in a is a reactant to produce salt B. Okay, a salt A commonly used in food product. So you know that if it is used in food product, so it is a and produce salt B used in the kitchen for making tasty crispy pakoras. Salt B on heating converted into another salt C. So it is salt A commonly used as food product and is a reactant to produce.
कॉमन सॉल्ट NaCl.
So yes, commonly used. It is a common salt. So D is the correct option, na?
Yeah.
D.
Yes.
Next.
ब्यूटाइन.
Name the formula of the third member of butane. क्या लिखा है?
ब्यूटाइन.
Butane. थर्ड मेंबर ऑफ द होमोलोगस सीरीज. क्योंकि फर्स्ट मेंबर क्या होता है इसका?
Ethyne.
इथाइन होता है. ओके, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड.
यस.
फोर्थ सोच करके थर्ड मेंबर में प्रोपाइन लिख दो. ओके, सेकंड विल बी प्रोपाइन एंड थर्ड मेंबर विल बी
ब्यूटाइन.
क्या मजा आ रहा है इसके पेपर में तो, जिसमें बच्चे ज्यादातर मिस्टेक करते हैं. ब्यूटाइन. गुड. नेक्स्ट. डन. ये वाला क्वेश्चन में तो फिर ऑप्शन में ही आ गया ना. सीएओ एक्सोथर्मिक एंडोथर्मिक उसके बाद वर्टिब्रेट साइटोकिनिन. विच द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एसोसिएटेड विद ग्रोथ हार्मोन. सही है.
So
रिसेप्टर.
what was the answer for the eighth one?
Give an example of the organism some mode of nutrition in amoeba. अमीबा के अंदर जो होता है फंजाई you can choose the vertebrates because amoeba have holozoic mode of nutrition. This is parasitic. Cascata. Parasitic.
Yeah.
Parasitic. Tapeworm is also parasite. Fungi is both saprophyte and parasite. They both comes in. Vertebrates have holozoic and amoeba also have holozoic mode of nutrition.
Okay.
Which of the following is not सेंसरी रिसेप्टर्स के बाद सेंसरी, सेंसरी स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, स्पाइनल मोटर, मोटर के बाद उसके बाद लैक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन मसल्स लीड टू क्रैम्प्स, कन्वर्जेंस ऑफ पायरुवेट टू लैक्टिक एसिड। Involuntary action in the body are controlled by medulla in the midbrain.
No, no,
What is
I didn't mark that. I marked the second one. It's down there. See.
yes, medulla is the part of hindbrain. Okay, बताया ना सबको?
Yeah.
According to the new science mentioned, the magnification of the image formed positive positive होगी and more than +1. Yes. पता है इसका ऑप्शन? Why
Yeah,
does
because the image will be found behind the mirror.
yes, and it will plus sign indicate virtual image and greater than 1 means enlarge. Okay. If the following statement is correct, can see nearby object clearly. Yes, सही है. उसके बाद the reason for greater similarities among the offspring produced by asexual reproduction is सही है. A reason for the greater similarities among the offspring produced by asexual reproduction is बोलिए. Second and
B.
fourth. B.
First and fourth.
First and fourth. Accessory reproduction involve only one parent. So अगर one parent है तो क्या होता है?
No
Involvement of
gamete
gametes
fusion.
नहीं होता.
हम्म.
Involvement of gametes नहीं होता.
ठीक है. तो इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ गैमेट तो अच्छा, मैं जानना चाहता हूँ बस कि अगर व्हाट इफ दे आर टू पेरेंट देयर इज मोर डिसिमिलैरिटीज, व्हाई इट इज सो? Jana, can you answer me this question number 50? Why if there is only one parent then it will be more similar? The offspring is more similar, or the offspring in the asexual method of reproduction are more similar or almost exact copy of their parents. Why?
So,
Why
be-
there is only one parent then there is more similarity? Why?
so because it doesn't involve the characteristics of both the parents and only one single parent.
Yeah, we can simply say that because there is an involvement when an organism reproduce asexually, it has a DNA copied DNA of only one parents. But when it is produced with sexual reproduction, then it has 50% DNA from male parent and 50% DNA from female parents. Okay, 50% chromosome from male parent, 50% chromosome from female parents. As a result, the organism with both the characteristics are good. Okay, got it? समझ आया? less availability of food, increase energy in higher tropic level, polluted air, ये तो सब कर सकते हैं.
So can you tell me what's the right answers for this assertion reasonings?
Which one?
Physics wala. How?
This one, this is strength,
Yeah,
this one you are talking about.
yeah, and also the one below it.
The strength of the magnetic field produced in a current carrying conductor or circular wire increases with increasing number of turns. Yes, it is true. जितने number of turns बढ़ाओगे उतना ही ज्यादा होगा. अब क्या कह रहा है? The current in each circular coil turns has same direction as the magnetic field due to which each turn is adapted. Yes, both assertion and reasons are true, and reason is the correct explanation for the. So A is the correct option.
Okay.
Biodegradable substance result in the formation of compost and natural replenishment. Biodegradable substance result in the formation of substances result in the formation of compost, yes, and natural replenishment. It is due to the break of complex organic matter. It is due to break of complex organic होगा substance into simpler organic substances. नहीं. Assertion is true, but reason is false.
Okay.
Done. ये वाला करके बताओ जरा मुझे. ये तो कर लिया तुमने 21. Yes, what is the answer for 22 then?
22.
Hmm.
You
It is
can create the desired
question.
can create your desired characteristics. There's
Hmm.
a higher chance of a successful rate.
Okay. जाना. Any two properties? Any two एक दो और बता दो इससे अलग है क्या advantages? What are the advantages of vegetative propagation?
भी कहाँ लगते हैं हाँ?
Done. कोई नहीं आ जाना बेटा. बस दो ही आते हैं तुम लोग को. Yes, you ma. Is there any extra?
So what I wrote was that it's much more faster and easier. It takes less time, and then also that you can grow plants from seedless
Yes.
plants.
The important thing is that this in seedless plant, this is the like sugar cane, seedless grapes, these banana. This is the predominantly method to grow.
So this is 2. That's why I said 2.
Predominantly method, faster rate of faster मतलब it is the faster method of producing, and similar characteristics of plants can be obtained. Disease free plant can be obtained by using tissue culture technique. Okay. बहुत सारी चीजों को हम लोग name to common method which are used for artificial propagation of plants.
Grafting, layering.
हाँ. What's the answer for the or part for this 123? बताइए. Define double circulations and state the necessity of double circulation of blood in the human beings. Answer याद है जवाहर Maha Zainab anyone Jiana? Can you answer me this
Double
question?
circulation is when blood is passed through the heart twice.
Just a minute. Just a minute. There is an important. If compare the role of alveoli in the lungs of nephron in the kidney with respect to the sorry double circulation क्यों जरूरी है बताता हूँ. First of
More
all, what
oxygenated
is
will be
Oxygenated and
provided.
deoxygenated
what
blood
is
throughout the
अच्छा, can you tell me that what is the difference between the double circulatory system and the single circulatory system? क्या
Single
difference?
circulatory system, blood is passed through the heart once, and in double circulation system, blood is passed to the heart twice. And then we could, if there is the question of difference, then we could give the example.
अच्छा, why double circulatory system is important in human beings?
It produces a more oxygen, which means more energy will be provided, and then there's no mixing of
There is no intermixing deoxygenated and oxygenated blood.
oxygenated and deoxygenated blood.
Okay, and सबसे important thing ये है कि that we are the warm-blooded animals and warm-blooded animals require large amount of energy to maintain their body temperature. Warm-blooded animals क्या होते हैं? That like we have a body temperature ना, particularly body temperature 37.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. बाहर का टेम्परेचर अगर हमारा 4 डिग्री है, 5 डिग्री है, स्टिल वी आर हैविंग अवर टेम्परेचर. थर्मामीटर डालोगे मुंह के अंदर उतना टेम्परेचर रहेगा 37.5 ना. सो हाउ दिस फूड, तुम्हें पता है कि हम लोग कहते हैं ना जी सर्दियों में हम लोग को बादाम खाने चाहिए, वी शुड यूज गर्म चीजें जो होती है. तो गर्म चीज मीन्स दे हैव ए लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ न्यूट्रिशियस वैल्यूज एंड दैट कैन प्रोवाइड लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी दैट इज बीइंग यूज्ड टू मेंटेन द बॉडी टेम्परेचर. We are the warm-blooded animals and we require large amount of energy to maintain our body temperature and that's important. Okay, समझ आया?
Yes.
Yeah.
ये केमिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन कहाँ है भाई? Yes. What is the answer for the question number 27B part?
Ionic compounds are more stronger than covalent compounds.
हाँ, कैसे होते हैं?
Ionic compounds are formed due to the transferring of electrons, while covalents are due to the sharing of electrons.
Okay. Okay, इसमें शेयरिंग होती है और आयनिक कंपाउंड्स are generally solid at room temperature. Okay, while
And then we could give an, since
in
it's
solid
still
at
not,
room
we
temperature
can give an
they have very high
example.
melting and boiling point while and they are solids, while the covalent compound like आपने CO2 देखा, H2 देखा, and you see not H2 is not a compound, it is an element. CO2, ethene, ethine, they are generally either gases or liquids. I mean rare of them are going to have the okay. So rare of them are going to have, got it?
Yeah.
The gaseous, sorry, solid state. All of them are generally either solid or liquid. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
So yes, white powder is used by the doctor to support the fractured bones. बताइए इसका आंसर क्या होगा? बहुत ही सिंपल है तो.
Gypsum, plaster of Paris.
Yes, it will be POP. It will be POP. Okay. Was the question easy, tough? Maha, how much you are expecting it that you will going to score in this one?
Like above 65, maybe out of 80. Not sure.
Is there any question that you think that it is difficult for you? Either it is or part or something like this.
Like 25 वाले का A part. I didn't know that answer. What to write for that? So I chosen the or question for 25.
25.
Physics वाला. 25. A वाला.
Why don't you
You
choose the part? Why don't you choose the second part?
No,
Are you
I
getting
chose the second part. I did choose the part. But I'm just asking like what was for the A.
A? Name the two safety measures used in the electric circuits and appliances. Safety measures may be fuse or MCBs. Okay. Name two safety measures commonly used in electric circuits and appliances. That will be generally MCBs and the fuses. Okay. Second is a
Yes.
device use 1 kilowatt electric power at 220 volt. Calculate the rating of the fuse N. So you can easily calculate what is power. So that is 1000 divided by P is equals to VI. P is equals to VI. Then
Yeah.
I will be equals to P upon V. So divide 1000 by 220. You will get approximately 4 point something. Okay, so you will
I
use
saw
5.
the A part. I knew I couldn't do this, so I took the or question.
तो सिंपल ना बी पार्ट में तो कुछ है ही नहीं ना. You will use P is equals to VI.
No, I knew the B part, but I didn't know the A part. That's why.
Okay, that is uh, fuse wire, fuse, electric fuse and okay. So do this one please. Next. बाकी सब हो गया ना. So okay, if you are facing any problem, okay, so you can send the team instantly your questions. Okay, they will send it to me. Got it? And then we will instantly solve your problems. Okay, we are just working for you. Okay, so Gianna, Kulsum, and you, Maha, Ranab. So everyone, please try to understood that I'm just teaching you each and everything. You can ask me any doubt in physics, chemistry, bio. Okay, so just try to figure out each and every questions. Okay, don't you can send it to your teams or your respective teachers also. Okay, but do the assignments carefully, do the NCRT examiner carefully. Okay, practice the question from the different schools. Like for example, this is your question paper. If someone of your students or in your batch is having some question paper, like Zainab, you are having your question paper. Okay, send it to the
yes.
send it to Maha. Okay, and Maha will send your question paper to you. So try to observe because when you try to come in the or when you come in the contact with the another questions or when you see more number of questions, so you will find that this question may be difficult for me. Let me ask it, okay, to the teacher, And okay, or send your question paper always to the team also, so that they can send it to me. We'll discuss if you are getting stuck in anyone. Okay, got it? You are not having. Just try to figure, practice as much as questions you can, so that you can score very good marks. Okay. Okay, just keep
Okay.
revising so that you will have greater reflex. When you see the question, your answer will be instant. It should not take much time for you, okay, for the students to, or for you to figure out what could be the answer. Okay, let me know what is that answer, what is that answer. No,